how to buy the Rise of Memes token. So this token came under the symbol of Rise. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic experts. Before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. So as you can see, before going and buy this token, make sure to check the Rex account and click following the updates about this token. If you click on their website, as you can see, you will be able to redirect you to this pre-sale page. So what you need to do here, it's easy and simple. Now connect your wallet first. I will use the Bitget wallet for me. So for that, click on connect. After you connect your wallet to the pre-sale page, what you need to do here, select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT or your card. So after you select the token, just here type how much you want to buy, and here we'll be able to see how much you receive of that token. After that, click on buy, and you will be able to buy. So because I don't have any USDT on my wallet, so for you, if you have enough USDT, the pop-up will appear here of your wallet. After that, you can complete the buy process to buy this token. So this is how to buy Rise token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.